Hi everyone. Well, it's been quite the weekend so far. Just a quick video. I was cleaning up my craft room and I came across 7 books that I picked up at Goodwill. Yeah. So anyway, this one, oh my goodness, look at this. Out of the Pod. Delicious recipes that bring the best out of beans, lentils, and other legumes. I knew when I looked at this book, I was 99% sure that the pages inside were matte. And I was right. But with all cookbooks, I really like to look at the different recipes first before I, chop them up. This book's spine, I don't think it's really been like opened. Look at these gorgeous pictures. Ooh, Hungarian red bean hot pot with smoked ham and barley. So what I like to do with these images is like, let's say with this one, for instance, if I had a brown and green theme going on in a journal, I would put that in here. Or if I was making a recipe book, I'm sure any of these would go well. Yeah, I like to look at the colors too to see what they go with. That's a nice one. It's beautiful linen. Just a hint of pink. Oh, look at that plate. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at this green one. And then the opposite page too. Beautiful green background. So these two would look really nice in a journal. So the person could really enjoy the picture. And if they kind of wanted to try it, well, the recipe is right there. Oh man, I love beets like this. I planted beets, I sowed beets last year, and I had a row of about 6 or 7 feet long, and I've sown them before and had success, but last year they weren't coming up, so I sowed them again. One came up, only one out of I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a package. Like, I should have had 7 feet of beets, but anyway, they are so good like this, roasted, with balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and ground black pepper. Oh my goodness, this is a great picture for a gardening book. Grow your own beans. Yep, super easy to do. I also find inspiration in these books for when I want to watercolor and I want to change the artwork in my home. If I want something new for the kitchen, I will maybe look through these books and find something that is very inspiring. Super beautiful. Okay. I'm getting hungry. Okay, so this little guy, The Story of Christmas. He's about 2 by 3 inches. You know what? I don't even think it's 3 inches. It is 3.25. So I was going to rip this up or throw it into one of the journals that I make, maybe as an addition to what I'm selling on Etsy. And then I thought, no, I'm going to put a little Christmas ribbon around it. I'm going to put it upstairs, just on a little, you know how you have those easels, those little tiny easels, and I can put that out at Christmas. I think that would be so cute. And this was published in 1965. And they have carols and poems in here as well. Oh my goodness, love this guy. All the backyard birds. Somebody dropped their bird books off, and they didn't want them anymore. And I just showed up and said, hey, I want these. It even shows the male and female sign, which is nice. It's really cool. Instead of going female, male, it just has the symbol. And where is this here? Goldfinch. I remember seeing one of these in my Mugo pine about 15 years ago, just outside my front window. And I just stopped in my tracks and I went, is that what I think it is? It was so cute. And it was so tiny. It was so tiny. And he looks so bright yellow and beautiful against the pine. And it was a sunny day, and they always found a retreat in that bush. But a couple years ago, I did have it pulled out, so I don't see as many birds. But yeah, lots of stuff in here. Really good book. Happy with that one. And then I can't pass up the Webster's New Thesaurus. I do have a few of these, but this one caught my eye because it's quite faded, or not faded, it's aged around the edges, which I really like. But I found this in here. I looked and went, wonder what this is. I thought it was so cool. This is going in my journal. Reg, I have gone out with Betsy. She's on holiday. So I have put the chicken in the oven for you, and potatoes are in the pot ready to cook. Talk to you later, Deb. Isn't that sweet? I just love it. Love it. It's, yeah. Whoever you are out there, Deb, I have your little note and it's going in my journal. It's so awesome. Okay, so that was a good find. I think this one was maybe $1. Ooh, look at these pages. Oh, wow. I'm tempted to just, start ripping it apart, but I do have others that I need to consume before moving on. So here is another bird book, the National Audubon Society, First Field Guide books. Well, that has a nice cover too. It's plastic, but it's I guess that's how you make books. Oh, this part's coming apart. Guess I won't need that. But what's this say? Helen from Pat and Jenny or Jerry? August 1999. Hope you enjoy the book as much as you enjoy your birds. Aww. These are not matte pages, but they're not shiny either. They are nice to look at. Now, there's a downside to this one, I think. The birds are coming across the page. But, I mean, he still looks nice here, right? It's still okay there. This one. Oh, man, what a character. Oh, a sweet thing. And the common loon. Oh, I remember hearing those up north. We go fishing. The glossy ibis. Ooh, the American robin. Cute. Oh, Eastern bluebird. And he's on the one side of the page, which is good. It's nice to even, again, this is like a cookbook for me. I'd like to read it too before chopping it up. Oh, a blue jay. I have a former co-worker who keeps posting on her Facebook. One day she put out a bird feeder. This is about 3 years ago. She put out a bird feeder in her front yard. She's had blue jays ever since. I mean, I've never seen one before. And she sees more than one. Like she'll see 2, 3, 4. And she puts little videos on there, and it's just absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's super cute. It's about 2 inches. Birds of Canada. I don't know if I can chop this one up. I went to Atlantic Canada twice, and I never did see an Atlantic puffin. Oh, these are nice. Oh, it just talks about their flight pattern too. Talks about their length and wingspan, population conservation. Oh, this is a beautiful book. Oh, the swan. What else do we have in here? Look at this funny guy, the surf scotter or scoter. The greater prairie chicken. Look at his face. Golden eagle. Not even a quarter through the book. Look at his hair. Oh yeah, this is really nice. Oh, cute. A scrub jay. So many birds. Oh, look at this guy, the great horned owl. Oh, man. Oh, and there he is. He's all over North America except for, well, way up in Northwest Territories and Nunavut. He doesn't like that, and he doesn't like Northern Quebec. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, birds. Lots of birds. The pages are in great shape. Wow. I gotta find a place for all these books, I'm telling you. And the last one, I already had my nose in here. I took a page out. 1 or 2 pages. The Ultimate Gardening Book. I was hoping this one would be matte pages, but most gardening books are not. But it's not too shiny. These pictures are gorgeous. I mean, I could see this in my journal. I could see this in your journal. Look at these gorgeous photos. I mean, come on. Really? That's beautiful. I wonder who's trimming that thing. That looks like it would be a lot of work. And a beautiful path down there. This is another good book for inspiration for drawing flowers or landscapes. Oh, that's beautiful too. Annuals and bulbs. Yeah, I'm starting to get into the bulb thing. Not just the tulips, but there are many other kind of bulbs. I bought some begonia bulbs last month, so still not ready to plant those. Maybe I'll put them in a pot to start them in the front window. This is beautiful. This would be fun to draw. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. These are roses. Woo. Oh, look. I love the greenery. Okay, I could look at these books all evening. Thank you for watching. It's always fun finding new books. It's not fun trying to find room for them. But they're not going anywhere. They are mine. But I might share some with you when I make journals for the shop. I will be pulling from these books as well as the many others that I have as well. And I've got this note that goes into my journal too. That's fun. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. You have a great rest of the weekend.